What if one morning you woke up and the world forgot how to code? Your alarm doesn't go off, your phone won't turn on. Even your toaster just stares at you. Welcome to a day without code. You try to check your messages, but guess what? No apps, no games, no internet. Why? Because every single one of those things was made with code. When you get to school, things are even weirder. The smartboard doesn't turn on, the school bell doesn't ring, and the lunch menu is gone. Even the bus GPS stopped because all of it runs on software and code. Out in the city, cars can't drive safely, elevators won't move, and even robots are confused. Without code, machines don't know what to do next. It's like trying to bake a cake with no recipe, and oh no, your favorite games, gone. Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite, all vanished into thin air. Because games are made by programmers who write millions of lines of code to make them fun and playable. Now imagine a world where no one could fix it. No websites, no apps, no YouTube. That's when you realize coders are the real heroes behind the screen. They make the world work from your games to the satellites above Earth. But don't worry, the world doesn't have to stop because you can learn to code, too. With just a few lines of code, you can bring the lights back on, fix the games, and save the day. So next time your game loads or your favorite app works, remember, that's code doing its magic. Would you survive a day without code? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join DevNaija for kids raising nation builders.